Are you still cutting vegetables with a knife? Your time is being wasted and your hands could be at risk. Today, I'm going to show you the top 5 vegetable slicers and graters used by thousands of people, all with ratings around 4.8 plus stars. These products aren't just fast, they're safe too. They will save you time and effort while helping you make healthy, professional-looking dishes. Make sure to watch until the end because the #1 product will truly surprise you. Here's a quick fact. If you spiralize fresh vegetables every day, your diet will be healthier, low-carb, and more delicious. Top 5. The first product is the potato noodle maker. It doesn't just make potato noodles, you can also make zucchini pasta, carrot spirals, and radish shreds quickly and easily. ABS PS TPR 420. Foldable, compact design. Strong suction base. 4 drum blades, slice, strip, shred, julienne. Safe rotary hand crank, keeps hands away from blades. Foldable base, saves countertop space. Built-in blade storage, store all blades in one place. Customer reviews, works well and easy to use. Super, very good. Lifestyle benefits and tips, healthy low-carb noodles, perfect for gluten-free diets. Drastically reduces prep time. Perfect for salads, garnishes, and fancy veggie dishes. Tip, safe enough to involve kids in cooking. Fun fact, spiralized vegetables cook faster than regular slices, so stir-fries or soups are ready in minutes. Top 4. Metal grinding food attachment. If you have a stand mixer at home, this is a game changer. You can grind meat, cheese, vegetables, and even make breadcrumbs easily. Food-grade aluminum alloy, durable and sturdy. 4 grinding trays, coarse, medium, fine, shredded. 2 sausage tubes and holder included. Easy to assemble on all KitchenAid and Cuisinart SM50 series. Detachable parts, easy cleaning. Includes cleaning brush and food pusher. Customer reviews, fits perfectly, highly recommend. Excellent product, exactly as described. Lifestyle benefits and tips, make homemade sausages, minced meat dishes, or healthy burgers. Multi-purpose kitchen tool, grind veggies or cheese too. Effortless and fun for parties. Tip, try fresh breadcrumbs at home, they taste much better than store-bought. Fun fact, freshly grated cheese melts faster and tastes richer than pre-packaged cheese. Top 3. Elmet JMA Ultra Sharp Mandolin Slicer. Professional style slicing is now possible at home. Adjustable thickness, stainless steel blades, and a safe design make it very convenient. Customer reviews, very practical and sturdy. Excellent quality, very satisfied. Lifestyle benefits and tips, perfect uniform slices for salads, gratins, and stir-fries. Saves prep time. Safe for families and beginners. Tip, use the safety holder for onions or small vegetables to prevent accidents. Fun fact, mandolin slicing keeps vegetables even and professional looking, ideal for social media recipe posts. Top 2. Elmet JMA 5-in-1 Rotary Cheese Grater. This multifunction grater handles cheese, vegetables, nuts, and more. Lightweight yet durable. 5-in-1 rotary system. Slice, shred, julienne, waffle cut, nut chopper. Easy handle and stable design. Safe and effortless operation. Customer reviews, impeccable, super good, sturdy. Works very well, received in good packaging. Lifestyle benefits and tips, save time and make homemade recipes easier. Fun for kids to help in the kitchen. Perfect for healthy cooking. Tip, try waffle-cut carrots for salads. They add texture and fun. Fun fact, freshly grated cheese melts faster and tastes richer than pre-packaged cheese. Top 1. 4-in-1 rotating blade vegetable spiralizer. The #1 product, perfect for healthy eating and saving time. Material and build: heavy-duty BPA-free ABS, ultra-sharp Japanese 420 grade stainless steel blades, oversized suction cup, 4 rotating blades, noodles, spiral cuts, slices, strips. Heavy-duty suction cup locks firmly on the countertop. Easy to clean and assemble. Extremely versatile: salads, pasta, garnishes, and apple chips. Customer reviews: really practical and performs perfectly. Second order from this seller, very happy. Lifestyle benefits and tips: make low-carb, gluten-free veggie pasta. Professional-looking dishes in minutes. Perfect for home chefs, busy families, and health-conscious people. Tip: use it for zucchini noodles as a pasta substitute. Healthy and fun. Fun fact: freshly spiralized veggies absorb sauces better, making every dish more flavorful. Which product is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to see more top 5 trending kitchen products. All product links are in the description. Check them out and order your favorites today. That's it for today's video. See you next time with more trending kitchen gadgets.